Hey everyone, today we are going to be walking through the setup of an Amazon Echo 5. So the first thing we're going to do is take the power cord that came in the box and just go ahead and plug it right back into the back. Once it's plugged in, it should just turn on automatically. It'll start to boot up here. We'll just give it a minute and kind of run through the course of getting it set up. So again, it's just going to be going through the boot up loading process here. You can see there's the little progress bar at the bottom. So it will take just a minute. So first thing it's going to ask you is select the device language. We're going to be going with English.
Hello. Ready for setup.
Next thing it's going to ask you to do is to connect to an internet. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Okay. We're able to put our password in, so we'll just hit done here. Save the password. We're not going to do that, so we'll just hit connect. This is showing that it's registered to someone else. We're going to go ahead and switch account. Go ahead and enter in the Amazon account information here so that it can link to our Amazon account, and that's actually one of the big benefits of the echoshow here. So we'll go ahead and enter that in. So once the information is input, again, it will just kind of register the device to your account. You'll get an update there. So now it is correctly linked to my account. So I'm just going to hit continue to the terms and conditions there. So we're here in the Eastern Standard Time, so we'll just hit continue. So it's asking for the address. Go ahead and enter a new address now. This is our only echoshow currently, so for us, like, there's no need to differentiate. But if you have multiple, you could set it up at, by which room it's in or a number system. But again, we're going to stick with the name of the echoshow. We'll give you an option to choose which of the wallpapers you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and just do a seasonal here. There's a couple different options though. It is looking like it needs to download the latest Alexa mobile app to continue for our login here. It's going to give you some more important Alexa information to know, just that you can make purchases by your voice, and we'll refer to default shipments and payment methods and whatnot. So we're just going to go ahead and we'll scroll to the bottom and we'll hit continue there. Maybe this is a dedicated children's device. No, I think this is something that we're going to use for the whole family, so we're going to select no there. You have the option to watch a little brief video here to learn more about the device.
Hi, welcome to your new Echo 5.
It's asking me if we want to set up the Amazon Music free trial. I'm going to say no thanks. We're currently not subscribers to that. Audible, no as well. So we're almost done here setting
This
up.
device is ready.
So it looks like the Echo is currently good to go.
Hi, I'm Alexa. Let's get you started with 5 things to try.
We'll get this welcome
You can
message.
say stop at any time. To talk to me, say my name and ask me something.
It's going to test your voice, so we'll say, Alexa, what's the weather?
In Berlin, it's 60 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Add bananas to my shopping list.
Skip. If you don't want to participate in one of
I
these
can
steps,
help
you can
with
just say
recipes
skip.
too.
All right, so now that we've gone through mostly the setup process there, a couple things that we should know in terms of like features. On the top here, to adjust your volume, you've got the plus and the minus. So if you need to turn down the volume, you can do that manually. You can also say, Alexa, turn down the music. So it'll pop up and then you'd be able to make an adjustment that way. Also, one of the features about the echoshow is that it has a video. There is the shutter at the top that you can open and close depending on where in the house you put it. You can manually change that so that it will be on or off. And then the last button on the top here is the microphone button, so you can turn that on and off as well. So note about that is once they're off, you won't be able to talk to Alexa or do video calls. So there's something, you'll see the red bar at the bottom is when you're muted. To get to the additional settings, all you have to do is swipe down. So you've got your brightness, your do not disturb if you don't want to get notifications. You can click on your settings here. And if you want to connect to a device, you just hit Bluetooth connected. If you wanted to connect to your phone, you can do that. Just turn the Bluetooth on. So we'll go through that now. So now you can see my phone is connected to the echoshow. So I could play music if I wanted through it, which is a pretty cool feature. So again, you can go in and adjust your home and clock, turn it on night mode to adjust the clock and dim it so it's not putting out too much light. So a lot to explore there. Some other features to note here, if you swipe again to show you, it will show you more features about Alexa. So if you have other smart devices in your home, you can go to Smart Home, and it will show you, different lights and whatnot, different smart plugs that you can adjust manually from the echoshow. Currently, we don't have anything else linked to it, but a great feature and something we're going to be expanding on. So again, like if you want to set alarms, you can do that through the echoshow. Alexa, set a daily alarm for 8 a.m.
Alarm set for every day at 8 a.m.
Another helpful or fun feature is communicate if you want to call or message others in the household. You can send out a message. So something fun to try. So something else you'll want to explore is videos. You click on that. If you are a Prime member, you can go in and watch videos.
Here's Prime Video.
You can watch different shows if you're wanting to watch. You can do that directly through the echoshow, which is kind of cool. So as you go through to the Discover Alexa, something else you're going to want to check out if you're really interested in all these extra features is go to Learn More. And again, like you've got all these different things you can link through the echoshow. So all in all, so far we've been very happy with the easy setup process and performance of the echoshow. It's been a great addition to our home. If you have any additional questions, feel free to drop those in the comments below. And thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Big L Repairs.